Jai Bharat Ma. Welcome to special program of our Sri Saraswati Vidya Niketan.
Yes, ma'am.
I am Jiradika. I am working in this institution as an English teacher. I am coming from Seoul. What about yourself, ma'am?
Myself, K. Srinidhi from 7th standard, studying Sri Saraswati Vidya Niketan. My father name is Srinivas. He is a farmer. My mother name is Lakshmi. She is a homemaker.
Are you ready to participate in this program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your first word is adventurous.
ADVENTUROUS.
Alternate.
ALTERNATE.
Collapse.
COLLAPSE.
Discipline.
DISCIPLINE.
Argument.
ARGREEMENT.
Wrong. Comparison.
COMM.
Wrong. Distance.
DISTANCE.
Like height.
HEIGHT.
Brilliant.
BRILLIANT.
Decrease.
DISCREASE.
Wrong. Encouraging.
ENCOURAGING.
Administration.
ADMINISTRATION.
Good. Constructed.
CONSTRUCTED.
Nice. Disasters.
DISASTERS.
Evaporation.
EVAPORATION.
Good. Justice.
JUSTICE.
Very good. Parliament. Parliament.
PARLIAMENT.
Nice. Reduced.
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 RESCUSED.
Wrong. Sequence.
SEQUENCE.
Very good. Last word is thunder. Your last word is thunder.
THUNDER.
Are you ready to give the answers to your GK questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the national year of India?
Ganga.
Nice. What is the full form of CID?
Criminal Investigation Department.
Good. Which city is called as Queen of the Hills?
Darjeeling.
Nice. Which is the most poisonous fish?
Shellfish.
Wrong. What is the helpline number of Aadhaar department?
191947.
Very good. You did your job very well.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. What is the opinion of your program?
I felt very happy about this program, and this is a very useful for us. Thank you.